Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I will be reviewing the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation, your key to radiant, flawless looking skin.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
So first, let's talk about the application. With just 2 pumps of the Dior Skin Glow Foundation, I'm able to achieve a lightweight coverage. Now I am using the Morphe M439 foundation brush, and I started out with just 2 pumps because I wanted to see how well it would cover in the first 2 pumps. As you can see, I have melasma on my skin on the upper cheek, and I did not use my concealer to cover it up like I normally do, and this is what it's looking like. So it's very glowy and it's very lightweight, but it's not covering my melasma. So I'm going to go in with 2 more pumps, and this time I'm going to use a wet damp beauty blender. And as you can see, this foundation is buildable. This foundation is enriched with skincare ingredients like pansy extract, rosehip extract, hyaluronic acid, and it beautifies the skin, nourishes, hydrates, and it leaves your skin looking healthier and more youthful. Just look at how my skin is glowing. I'm in love already. So I'm going to go ahead, after I apply this last little bit of the foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and finish this off with my makeup. Now it did not cover my melasma, and I'm right at where I like my makeup right here. I don't like it too heavy. I want it to look radiant and skin-like. So I'm going to go ahead and cover the melasma with concealer, and then you will see the final look. I'm loving how this is looking on my skin. It's so lightweight. It feels and looks so natural, so I'm sold on it. Definitely one of my top faves. So let me go ahead and finish up this look and apply my makeup. And leave me a comment, guys, and let me know what you're thinking so far, and have you ever tried this foundation before? And yeah, this is the final look. I absolutely love how the look came together. All I did was add some concealer, a little blush, and some bronzer and my lip gloss, and that's about it. This look was supposed to be natural, so I didn't go in heavy on anything on my face, and I'm loving it, and I give it 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy mama with